How to use coupons on Cnfans. Now, the very first thing that you want to do, of course, is to redeem that specific coupon so that you could use that on your favorite product on Cnfans. But before that, you go ahead into your Google Play or where you download applications on your mobile device. And then in here, just locate Cnfans. Now, this is just making sure that you're currently running the latest version of Cnfans application so that you will not encounter any bugs, crashes, or internal issues from the application itself. Once you fully downloaded and installed the app, open it up and then log in into your official CNFans account. This is going to be your dashboard. So before you can use that, CNFans coupon is actually an alphanumeric sequence, which is a combination of letters and numbers, and then you just have to input it on your phone so that you can use them. To enter it, just go into the account, the lower right portion of your screen, and then you could go to My Coupons or you can just simply tap the current balance on your screen. So you can see balance and coupons. Switch it into coupons, input your redeem code, and then choose on claim or change. And that's it. That's basically how you can use your coupons on CNFans.